house doing not a damn thing. Where's our fucked up radio because we did it ourselves.
Yeah. As you can see, there's tons of people. See, tons of people.
Yeah, maybe in later.
Big turnout. Very big. Here's the first contestant. He did okay, I guess. I didn't really check his stuff.
I'd say he did something.
He did, really? Oh, okay.
I'd say that.
Then there's a car Mark you probably stole. Who? Pawn.
Pawn from school.
I don't know no Pawn. See, look, nice truck. Do.
He's a Lord.
Yeah. Oh, look, see, there's this thing. Let's go talk to the experts over there.
Yeah,
News reporters. And there's Mr. Char right here. See, that's the meter thing. See?
I got the 50-inch photo.
Next contestant. Next contestant.
Romero. Great.
Okay.
I know what this costs.
And there's Lynn right there opening the door. Thanks. We're up the corridor. Okay, see the put the little wire in.
My truck, huh?
No.
Found one from my truck? No. Well, yeah, that's off the board.
Okay, man. I think he's gonna thing.
Doug, what we're going to do on the first run? Go up a little bit more? Yeah.
And the readout.
I can tell you right now that mid-range is out. Everybody peaks at 1,000, man. I hate the way that 1,000 sounds. Yeah, hold that.
Let's go on to something else. Interesting. And check it out. Pretty neat, huh? Sonic. Too hard.
You got in line.
Well, I just...
Hey, check it out, man.
I'm trying to figure out what y'all doing here.
What?
Hey, man.
Try not to hit the innocent
Don't
bystanders.
hit the people, okay?
Try not to hit that truck over there.
No, don't hit the truck either. Hit the barrel.
Don't hit me either.
No, don't hit the barrel.
Way off.
Oh.
Yeah.
Miss. Good miss.
Well, there goes the casing for the volume.
That was a good miss, Tom. Do it
Personally,
again,
I
Tom.
like the sledgehammer.
Come on.
Do it again, Tom.
Do it again? Why, you trying to attract people?
Yeah. Do it again, Tom.
Hold up.
All clear?
No.
No.
Hello.
We don't want to hit nobody.
Together. You gonna run it through?
Too short. What do you think put the gouge in the poster? Good turn.
Let him try, man.
Man, you gotta do is just time it.
Oh. Almost.
It ain't gonna last, Chris. There's no more crystal I can save for service. Say what? Oh, we forgot the CD in there. Can we have it back?
The good part of the crank it up. The very, very, very good part. Hey, man. Hey, man, you missed my view, bro.
Go over that radio.
You about this much off?
Hey, but it bounced after it hit, man. That deserves some credit.
Chris, we definitely need to take this. The faceplate's about to come off of it. Damn, and it's gotta go back in my car tonight. They say it's not gonna work. You pissed.
I don't know, Troy. It didn't bounce
He knows how to install them, but he sure don't know how to throw them.
Oh no! Ah!
Oh, yeah.
She did. Go out from back. Hey, at least I hit the rim. What are you doing? You throwing air balls.
Oh, nuh-uh. Now you actually. Ooh, this is nice.
You still throwing air balls.
I'm trying.
Oh, we're about to pull the side plate off now.
Get an alarm on it. Only certain people can sit in it.
But you still missed.
He didn't even.
Make it what? He gives up. Oh yeah, definitely. The base tape coming home.